drink, the capsule in the bottle, the damsel in a dress. You come to save me from distress. Stay the week, distract me from my problems. The war inside my head, make me forget I'm such a mess. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want, oxytocin, high on hoping that the way you love me can fix how I hate myself.
Thank you so much for choosing to watch my video today. I do hope you enjoy it. So for anybody new here, my name is Ashley. I do share this channel with my twin sister Courtney. So 2 different houses on one channel, guys. So that was the baby, sorry. But as you guys can tell, I am doing the high up places that I tend to not want to clean so much. The dust is heavily up here. I do wash the walls more than I wash up here, to be honest with you. And I think it's just because there's so much stuff up here that it overwhelms me. And it was getting to the point that looking at it was very stressful to me. And I just didn't want to, just walk, put your head down and walk past it, type of thing. So yeah, as you guys can tell, there is a lot of dust, some grease and stuff like that, because the stove is not far from this area of the kitchen area. For anybody new here, I do have a small little kitchen area where the stove and sink is. And then as you guys can see right here behind me with my mean face going on, I have a really bad resting face, and I was just very disgusted with the dust. So I am perfectly fine. If anything, I'm just sweaty from the gym. Got home, got straight into cleaning. But sorry, once again, the baby is watching some TV, so you might hear him in the background. So sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so let's just get into cleaning up this area and the area behind me that you guys can see. I do have a bucket of hot warm water hot water mixed with some all-purpose cleaner, which I believe I use the Gain scented, I can't remember the main name of the cleaning product, but it's the all-purpose cleaner with a little bit of Dawn soap with a rag. So anyways, done chit-chatting for now. I'll be popping in and out of the video here and there. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I do also tidy up my kitchen and stuff like that, as you guys did see in the overview. All right, I'm done for now. Let's get into the music.
Gotta reset, pick up my mess, but that barista takes a little too long. She's a caffeinated princess, full of regret of a night that bled into dawn. Carry on with the heat of the night, wrote a song. It's a shame that you gave up, moved on. Anastasia, you gave all along. I beg for you, only when I'm dreaming can I see the obvious sign you're sending. Like I've written perfect books of reason. When I wake, it's back to us repeating the same tension built so I can't even sleep. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 REM for me. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 done with counting sheep. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 fantasy for me. So I can't sleep. If I make it past my bedtime, I can spend some time with you. There are certain things that only after hours make me do. Don't care if you believe me, there is nothing I can say. Only what could be an outcome of us staying up till day. Modesty's left, darling, at rest, but I'm arriving to your dance in the dark. I anticipated this guest, made a new friend in the sick charade I put on. Carry on with the sweet fever dream from the song. It's a shame that it won't last too long. Anastasia, you crave all along. I beg for you, only when I dream can I see the obvious sign you're sending. Like I
So what I did with everything was put it on the floor, and then I'm gonna go through everything, see what I want to throw away. Basically what I did with the hutch area, just get rid of stuff that wasn't necessary or just was not my cup of tea anymore. Like the gift bags, I do end up throwing those away because I totally forget that I even have them in the first place. Those have been sitting up there for at least 2 years. So I just got rid of them. I always end up buying them and going to the Dollar Tree and buying them, to be honest with you. You can call me wasteful if you want. I've tried and tried and tried, and I just forget that they're up there. But then you see these little chef signs right here. I'm actually going to be moving those to the other side of the area in this room, which you do see later on. I just want to give them also a nice quick rub down too, because there is a nice collection of dust and grease on them. Yeah, so we're just gonna get down to wiping the top of this fridge and these signs and, get everything nice and clean.
Tell me it's alright. That's all I wanted from you. Look me in my eyes. I wanna say that I'm sorry I hurt you, and I'm not sure how we got here. All this pain and all this agony, 'cause I'm a mess when you're not here. When we just fight, it gets the best of me. Every day is so long. Tell me where we went wrong, and I just wanna make things right. When you're not here, when we just fight, it gets the best of me. Every day is so long. Tell me where we went wrong. It's been so damn hard to do anything without you. I'm so lost, and the weight of the world is on my shoulders. We fell off in that time when my heart got colder, and I just ain't feel this way. Tell me I will be I'm so lost, baby, I'm so lost without you. I'm so lost without you. I'm so lost without you.
As you guys can tell, I'm going through all the stuff, throwing things away and all that jazz. So I just want to, now I'm just basically trying to see where I'm going to put everything. This is all his grill stuff. And then I have a couple of battery stuff for the yard, like tools. I don't know, like the weed whacker and stuff like that. I got my Keurig. I'll never get rid of that. Thanks to Court&Ash. Thanks, guys. They got me this Keurig years ago, like 10 years ago, maybe 9 years ago, and this thing's still kicking. It works when my coffee pot don't work, so that's my backup guy right there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly put that back on top of the fridge, and same thing with the bubble machine and the bubbles, because I have nowhere else to put them, to be honest with you guys. So yep, that's where it's gonna go.
You're the drink, the capsule in the bottle, the damsel in a dress. You come to save me from distress. Stay the weak, distract me from my problems. The war inside my head, make me forget I'm such a mess. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want, oxytocin, high on hoping that the way you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, my self-deprecation. I'm hanging from the precipice of empty promises. To myself, I can't help it, still nothing has changed. I need your therapy, euphoric chemistry to fix my brain. Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken in my oxytocin. And I'm overdosing in my oxytocin. I put the rescue all on you. As we lay in your driveway and look at the stars with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you close. As we lay in your driveway like we're chasing cars, with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you closer. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want. Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken in my oxytocin.
So actually on this day, Cisco got home from work quite early. So as I am actually cleaning up the kitchen, he is actually vacuuming all the floors and mopping them, which you do get a little sneak peek at the end of the video of him mopping the floors. Teamwork makes the dream work. But we are quickly getting this kitchen all tidied up, guys. It seemed very daunting to look at, but a lot of it was clean and a lot of it was dirty. But I do hand wash dishes, guys, so if you're in the same boat as me, I got some motivation for you guys to wash your dishes. But when I do go to wash my dishes this time, when I feel overwhelmed, what I like to do is put them in categories, so bowls, plates, cups, etc., etc. So that way it makes it a lot more easier on me and a lot more room in the sink. So I'm just going to quickly wipe down the stove top, and then we get into putting the clean dishes away and scrubbing down the sink, and then we get into hand washing dishes.
Oh my god, what an injustice. You just check your watch and my love wasn't enough, yeah. Oh my god, what an injustice. You don't even know someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Someone love you this much, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Said my love wasn't enough, yeah. Said my love wasn't enough, yeah. How come you're an angel but you're throwing out a dove, yeah. Said I wasn't what you need. I just had a vision of you falling
Okay guys, so the kitchen is finally all cleaned up. Look at how shiny the countertops are. Dishes are all clean. And then don't forget to stick around for the end to see Cisco mopping the floors. But I do want to say thank you once again for choosing to watch my video. Even though you didn't have to, it means more than you guys will ever know. And don't forget to stick by for Courtney's video on Saturday. And I will be posting next Thursday as usual, guys. I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.
I think there's something in the water. Alter, not an imposter. Broader, shining armor stronger. Alter, saved by the streamlight. Unlocked, broken. Data, born to be streamlined. Movement, control. Lost it, out of the stream.